Hi, I'm Cassie Churchill with BraunAbility. Today, I'm going to show you our best-in-class BraunAbility Chrysler converted vehicles, where innovation meets accessibility. When it comes to wheelchair-accessible vans, no one offers more space to enter, exit, and maneuver. And no other mobility manufacturer offers options that the Chrysler minivan has with BraunAbility. Whether you're looking for a side entry, rear entry, power in-floor, or fold-out, we have the options that best fits you, your budget, and your lifestyle. Experience the Chrysler wheelchair-accessible vehicle, where spacious interior, wide ramps, and custom options offer you limitless accessibility. For more information about this or any of our wheelchair-accessible products, visit us at BraunAbility.com or your local dealer to try one today.